Nate with KenMed Surgical. I'm here at the FCS Facility Services corporate offices.
Hi, I'm Giovanna Barrios. I'm CEO of FCS Facility Services.
And thanks so much for having me. It's nice to be over here.
Thank you for being here.
One of the reasons that I'm really excited that we're partnering with you is that you guys have all W-2 employees. Tell me why that's important for you.
We do. We have all W-2 employees, and it's important for us because it gives us a little bit more control over the entire life cycle of the employee and their career with us from start to finish, including training, proper uniforms, ongoing training, of course, and most importantly, employee morale, which is very important.
Yeah, it's better quality control. And when you have the W-2 employees versus like a franchise, you're investing in the people that work with you because, you know, it's kind of a part of your family.
Most definitely.
Well, that also brings up, you guys are a family-owned business. How long have you been a company?
Absolutely. We've been in business for 22 years now, operating across the U.S. We're headquartered in Orlando, Florida.
Right. In talking about investing in your employees, you guys do specific training for the surgery centers and the people that are going to go in. So what kind of training is that?
We do our training specializing in surgical centers right when the employee is hired.
Well, that means that they're going to get proper terminal cleans, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's going to be really important. Anything else that you'd like to say about your company?
We're very much looking forward to working with KenMed Surgical and providing consistent, top quality service across the board.
Yeah, we're really excited to be working with FCS because they do share our high standards that we'd like to bring to you. So you'll be seeing more from us, and if you have any questions, you can reach back to me. Thanks a lot.